August or so. And you guys can remember if you saw that video. I tried to come in here, but someone came out of that door, and I did not want to get busted, so I just filmed from someone right here, actually. So anyway, here's the units. Got an RDT refrigeration component. Data. And it is manufactured in 05. It says disconnect. Here's a Trane packaged unit. Odyssey. Let's see. Manufactured in 2003. I think this is a Trane. Take a picture of that. I don't want to get yelled at. It's Sunday, so no one should be here, but you never know. York. I'll take a picture of that and see what year that's from. Sure I can figure it out. Here's a Lennox packaged unit. That's newer. There's another Trane packaged unit from 2007. This is newer. Yeah, this one still has the color. Oh, that's a Trane. It says Trane XB. There's a York. Take a picture of it just for the heck of it. It's a compressor in this Trane Odyssey. Yeah. Anyways, oh, what the heck? I'll take a picture of this Lennox too. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.